another very important new function, and this function is called 3D Loft. Okay, let's see 3D Loft. Okay, with 3D Loft you can create 3D solids or surface. Okay, but for create a 3D solid or surface you will need at least two cross sections. Okay, these two cross sections can be closed entities or closed object. You can do this operation with open objects or open entities, like you know, like an arc, like a single line, or like a SP line. So when you are performing 3D Loft with open objects, you will get a surface. Okay, what more 3D Loft offers in GstarCAD 2012? So you will have many options for doing 3D Loft. One of these options are cross section. So you can do loft operation by cross section, and then you will get the follow 3D solid effects. See, as you see, you have roulette, smooth, normal 2, and draft angle. Those are totally different 3D solid effects. So what more 3D Loft offers? What more option offers? So you can do a 3D Loft by guide. Okay, you can have a guide. So you can have several cross section and the guide. The guide in this case is can be a single line or an arc. Okay, and then you can do 3D Loft by path. Okay, you have another option with what we call path. In this path you can also have a several cross section here, and lofting by path is characterized by having a polyline here, a polyline as a center line, as you can see. So this is path is a polyline, and the guide is a single. There is two single lines. Okay, so let's see a demo how it works. Sections. So in cross sections, okay, we will perform 3D Loft with three options: cross section, guide, and path. Okay, so for do this operation you have two ways. Okay, two ways to do this. Here in the ribbon, okay, you will have a 3D tab. In 3D tab you will have the panel modeling. So you can have here loft. Okay, and there is another way, another command typing. You can type the command loft, and that's it. Okay, appear one message say select cross sections in lofting order. So I want to select in this order. Okay, okay, and then input options. I want as you know, we are talking about cross section. So I will select the keyword C, that's mean cross, and then I will say enter, and it will display a window. In this window you will have several options. You have roulette, smooth, normal 2, draft angle. So in this case I will select the option roulette. Okay, but you cannot see the difference here, so we go to 2D wireframe and then we change. Okay, now you can see clearly it's a 3D solid generated by cross section. So I will repeat the lofting but with other options here. So okay, so I will select a smooth. Okay, and you will see this is roulette and this is smooth. You see it's totally different between these two, and then I will perform another cross section options. Okay, as you can see here, I will select normal 2. In normal 2 you will have four options. For example, I will select start and end cross section. It's according to your needs. What do you need? Okay, and you can see it's totally different here. In the base of this cross section is in angle, and then comings up go up smoothly. So are totally different, these two. Okay, so let's see the last option on cross section. Okay, again I will select the cross section. I will select the cross section here and put the option cross, and I will select draft angle. In draft angle I can play with the start angle, for example 24, with the magnitude, for example 180, and the end angle of the cross section must be 120, and the end magnitude for example in 15. Okay, and then you will see what is the effect. As you can see, you can see here totally different. So in cross section, doing 3D Loft in cross section you have several options. So the next one is doing 3D Loft by guide. So as I told you, guide and path, they are different. The cross, I mean the line of the guides, you see, are a single line, but in path is a polyline. Okay, it's a polyline. So let's perform guide option. Okay, in guide option, we type Loft. We will select the cross sections are these ones. Okay, and then I will select the option guide. That's mean G. Okay, and then I select the lines. Right, select these lines and this line, my center lines, and then that's it. You see, easily, faster, flexible. Okay, and then I will perform path. So I will do Loft here. I will select my cross section around here. Okay, carefully, not select the center line. Okay, I select this, and then I will put the option P, that's mean path, and then I will select the center line here, and that's it. Okay, totally different, 3 different lofting options with different solid effects, because those are solid because those are closed entities. But what about a surface? So you can apply 3D Loft on surface easily. So as you can see, surface only works on the open entities or open cross sections. So I will perform a surface here. Okay, Loft, and I will select this section and this section. Okay, and input the option, for example, cross section, and then I will select roulette. Okay, and you get it. This is a surface. Okay, as you can see, and this is a solid. So as well, I will apply another sample here with another Loft option. Okay, I will select the object here, and then when I input the options, I will input the option guide. I will input and then I will select this line. This is my guide, and again I will have my surface. As you see, 3D Loft is a very powerful command. Okay, it's new in GstarCAD 2012, and you can is easy to operate, offers many options, and is flexible. It's not like this command extrude. Extrude is for push and pull 2D planar entities. Okay, but those are flexible. Check the flexibility of 3D Loft and imagine what you can do with this command. Okay, so that's it. Let's see the benefits of 3D Loft. Okay, 3D Loft, easy operation and creation. Yes, it's very easy to operate and create a 3D solid and also surface. Okay, you have different lofting options. Yes, you have a cross-section option, you have a guide option and path option. So different lofting options, and you will get fast and flexible result. Yes, it's fast. Yeah, fast to do, fast result, and flexible. It's not straight, it's not rigid, it's very flexible. You can apply in many 3D modelings or surfaces. Okay, so 3D Loft is new in GstarCAD 2012 and is very powerful.